Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice, and this is one of our brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 27 Vantages. The 27 has been an extremely popular boat for us. I kind of nickname it the sport utility because it's a great family boat, great cruising boat. You can also fish off of it. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat, point out some of the options and features on it. This one does have the new Mercury 225 Verado 4-strokes. We've been very happy with all the improvements that Mercury has made. This particular boat does have the fish package, which gives you your extra rod holders on the back, recirculating bait well, raw water washdown, and of course the optional hard top right here. But as you can see, with the nice 9-foot beam, very, very wide all the way around. The bench seat right here rolls out, and plenty of room to get around the boat. We do have a freshwater shower on the transom as well as one on the bow. So we've got a cooler area right here, great for entertaining. Recirculating bait well on this boat. It's going to be right underneath here. This is kind of unique too. It's very similar to the one on the 23. You can have this in several different positions, you know, depending on what you're trying to accomplish. So very, very comfortable. Here at the dash, tilt steering wheel, digital throttle and shift, of course, with the Verados. Fusion stereo, plenty of room here if you want to do a GPS chart plotter, things along that line. Fully enclosed head. This is the canvas that comes with the boat right here. That one does have overboard discharge, dockside discharge, freshwater shower as well. Up front, very comfortable. All the way around. This one does have your windlass, so raising and dropping the anchors very, very easily. This one is equipped as well with a bow cover right here. You also have a cockpit cover that starts here and goes all the way to the back of the boat. So just to recap, Jeremy Bradshaw, MarineMax Venice, super, super popular model, 2019 Boston Whaler 27 Vantage. So if you'd like some additional information or like to come by and take a look at one, feel free to give us a call. The number here at MarineMax, 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.